Hey, this is John with This Old Junker, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a PCV valve. You'll find it right here in your Kia 2013 1.6 liter engine. Simply take the cover off with the snaps, and you're going to find this hose here connected. You're going to need some pliers, which I have here, to pinch this. Move it back. I have a small cover over it. Mine's dry rotted. Here's your part. We're going to be removing that today and replacing it with a brand new one. To make it easier, get yourself a 9/16. As you can see, I've already got it secured. Now you're going to want to pull the 9/16 towards you. It's going. Oh, jeez. But I had that second cup of joe this morning. There we go. Nice and easy. Now they say to replace these every 30,000 miles. I'm frugal. 209,000 miles. Go ahead and remove that here. Get it out of there. I wonder if it's finger tight yet. Oh yeah, there we go. Go. Get out there, girl. There you go. All right. Now, there's a ball bearing in here. Actually, this one sounds like it still works. This is really worrisome because I don't know why my car is using so much oil. Yeah. All right, for comparison's sake, here's the new one. As you can see, nice and shiny there. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh yeah, it's got a nice rattling hum there. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh crap, which way? Yeah, it was this way. All right, we're gonna stick it right back in there, just like that. There we go. I'll go ahead and start the process. Finger tight. Not much to work around here. God gave me small hands. Oh, there we go. Focus. Get in there. We don't want to strip anything. Do you get it good and started? We're going to go ahead and get our 9/16 back out and just snug it up here. Snug it up real good. Right. Now after getting that done, get your cover. Slip it back over there, nice and easy. There's your garter belt, baby. Yeah. All right, now you got your hose here. Go ahead and slip that over the end. Come on. Hey, this probably help me. There we go. That's like that. Come on there. Come on. Get over it. Okay. Now we've got it back on just like we took it off. Good gas mileage here. We come in idling too. Now we got to put the cover back on. You see your hose. Got your ball there. All right, this is pretty simple. All right. Now we'll just simply go in the car. Make sure it's going to start up. And enjoy the fruits of our labor. All right, here we go.